everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a very easy and highly effective ginger and garlic cream. This ginger and garlic cream is made up of 100% natural ingredients, and this homemade cream is specially made to remove all your pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars and skin tags problem. This ginger and garlic cream is best to remove the skin tags and the pigmentation or hyperpigmentation problem easily at home within just few days, and will also help to remove all your acne scars, pesky marks, blemishes, acne and skin discoloration within just few uses of this cream, and will make your skin more crystal clear, bright, glowing, radiant and spotless. So now let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this homemade ginger and garlic cream. So the first ingredient which we need is ginger juice, and I have previously shared the method to prepare the ginger juice at home, and if you want to watch that, then I will leave the link of that video into the description box below. The next ingredient which we need is garlic juice, and in just few seconds I am going to tell you how to prepare the garlic juice at home. After that you're gonna need almond oil, then you're gonna need honey. After the honey you're gonna need castor oil. And the last ingredient which we need is aloe vera gel. So now let's firstly see how to prepare the garlic juice at home. And to prepare that, you firstly gonna need few garlic cloves. And now you have to peel those garlic cloves like so. And you just need 5 to 6 garlic cloves for this home remedy. After peeling the garlic cloves, you have to put them into the mortar and pestle and crush them really nicely. And after crushing it really well, now you have to strain this mixture with the help of a strainer, or you can also use the cheesecloth to take out all the garlic juice. And after straining the crushed garlic cloves really well, your garlic juice is ready and it will look like this. So now let's see how to prepare this homemade ginger and garlic cream, which works really great in removing all your skin tags and skin pigmentation easily at home. To prepare this cream, you firstly have to take approx 1 teaspoon garlic juice in a clean bowl. After that you have to add 1 teaspoon ginger juice in it. Then you just have to give a good mix to both these ingredients. After mixing them, you have to add half a teaspoon sweet almond oil in it. After adding the sweet almond oil, you have to add half a teaspoon castor oil in it. Then you have to add 1/4 teaspoon honey in it. And then you have to mix all these ingredients really nicely to make a smooth and alarm-free mixture. Now after mixing all these ingredients really well, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And you just have to add approx 2 teaspoon aloe vera gel in it, and then again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a fluffy paste. So now after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade ginger and garlic cream is ready, and it will look like this. This cream is specially made to remove all your skin tags and skin pigmentation or hyperpigmentation problem easily at home within just few days, as it contains 100% effective and natural ingredients which works really great in removing your skin tags, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, dark spots and acne and blemishes problem easily at home. And the consistency of this cream should be smooth, lump-free, and it should be as fluffy and creamy as I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this homemade ginger and garlic cream. And to store this cream, you're gonna need an airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream in this small airtight container, and you can store it at room temperature for up to 20 to 25 days. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin and then massage it in circular motions. Just gently massage it in circular motion for about 30 to 45 seconds. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight so that your skin completely absorbs this cream. And for best results, you have to use it daily, twice in a day, for at least 15 to 20 days to get radiant, glowing, spotless and younger looking skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.